Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting your screen time password if you have forgotten it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Tap Change Screen Time Password. Tap Change Screen Time Password. Tap Forgot Passcode. Then enter your Apple ID and tap OK. Then your password and tap OK. Now enter your new screen time password. Enter it again to confirm. Your screen time password has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.